Since 1983, FSMTC became the founder of telecommunications in the FSM, and it started with few resources and little experience. Almost 40 years later, the company now offers platforms for high-speed internet, mobile and fixed phone services, and television services using fiber optics and satellite. The plan and infrastructure the company is developing places FSMTC amongst the most advanced telecommunications companies in the Pacific. FSMTC has over 150 employees in all 4 states of the FSM. The company has grown based on local talents with and for the interests of those that live in the FSM. The brand has evolved much more beyond providing local and international voice services and has demonstrated progress. The company is now about connecting the states and communities of the FSM together and to the world. FSMTC provides services to Chuuk, Pohnpei, Yap, and Koshai, along with the many outer islands scattered across FSM's own 2.6 million square kilometers of Pacific Ocean. The connectivity it provides has dramatically increased the possibilities for its customers in communicating with family, friends, and customers. The high-speed internet services being provided truly connect everyone in the FSM with the rest of the world in real time. FSMTC continues to remain at the cutting edge of technological advances. The installation of 4G LTE services is an example of that. The company continues to improve, and the new services and products it will be offering is testimony to the commitments to improve. The provision of telecommunications improves the quality of life. FSMTC has been driven by the public good for sustainability. The people of the FSMTC are from the islands and understand what living in the FSM is like. FSMTC employees are members of the community in which they work. FSMTC understands better than any other company from outside the region ever could the needs, aspirations, and expectations of its customers, and is making the FSM a better place to live. From humble beginnings to endless possibilities, growing together with FSMTC.
FSMTC.